In this video, we will show you how to change the ignition coils on your Ford Fusion. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the engine cover. You can see where the ignition coils are located. We advise you to change the ignition coils one by one, as it is important not to swap coils. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Do not pull on the power cable, as this may damage the coil. Using a ratchet and extender in an 8mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new coil. Put the coil back. Screw the retaining bolt back in by hand. Screw it in until it makes contact using the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. Operation complete.